label.
All right. Bradley, what day is it?
Valentine's Day, my birthday.
Awesome. How many years are you?
How old are you?
10.
10 years. Awesome. And what are you doing right now?
I'm going to open a present that's been waiting by my door for 2 weeks.
Who's it from? What's the label say? Does it say? Bradley.
Grandpa and Grandpa and Opa.
Nope.
Read the label.
Grandma and Granddad.
It doesn't say.
Okay, it's from Grandma and Granddad.
Okay.
Go.
Watch if you fold these over. Well, I'll let it keep
I'll bet you.
Oh, it's one of those puzzle balls.
Whoa, show me, Brad.
Okay, and what else?
Very cool. What is this?
It is a electronic snap circuits.
Okay, so read what it is.
Have fun learning all about electronics. Contains over 60 parts. Create your own exciting projects.
Very cool. What do you say, bud?
Thank you. And there's some paper in here, Mommy.
Oh, that's okay. Leave the paper alone. Brad. Brad.
Let me see it.
Brad.
I know. I know. Look at Mom.
Say thank you.
Thank you. I love these. They're awesome.
Awesome. All right, cool, bud.
I know I'm going to play with these a lot.
All right. Happy birthday.
All right.